Turning now to COVID headlines this morning, scientists are working on combining annual flu vaccines with COVID-19 booster shots. Now, experts say it's a single injection that would be given each fall. Moderna and Novavax, well, they have already announced plans to work on a combo shot, but they don't expect them to be available this upcoming flu season. Meanwhile, the CDC, they announced new guidelines for masking last week, and even though health experts agree that it's a step in the right direction, they do warn it could be a thing again in the future. ABC's Zareen Shaw has the details.
New guidance from the CDC on masking. The latest metrics suggest more than 70% of Americans, including school children, are now in communities at low or medium risk and can consider removing their masks.
We want to give people a break from things like mask wearing when our levels are low, and then have the ability to reach for them again should things get worse in the future.
Under the old guidelines, the CDC focused primarily on case numbers, but the new framework factors in COVID hospitalizations and hospital capacity to determine areas at low, medium, or high risks.
I think this is taking us forward with a new direction going into the pandemic, but we're still focusing on safety. We're still focusing on preventing death and illness.
In the coming days, 5 states, along with Washington, D.C., are expected to lose those indoor mask mandates. Chicago doing away with some restrictions beginning Monday.
We're seeing ourselves on a downward slope of this Omicron surge.
Health experts agree with the CDC's new guidance, but caution masks may return in the future.
I would like to see the most masking when we really need it, when there's another wave of COVID, potentially, next fall. So after Thanksgiving of 2022, it's very likely that we'll need to ask people to put their masks back on.
The CDC also saying it is now safe for schools to drop masking except in high-risk areas. But with children under 5 still not eligible for the vaccine, some parents are worried.
I think it's good for the kids, but at the same time, I'm just concerned about their immunity.
As for public transportation, masks must still be worn, at least through March 18th. But the CDC is reviewing those requirements. Zoreen Shah, ABC News, Los Angeles.